So these are the 6 birds that I've built. They're easy birds that you can make. The first bird that we're going to make is the blue jay. So let's put these birds over here. They're really easy to break and build again. So I just gotta break this and this. Well, sometimes they're easy. So for the blue jay, you need one of these 1x1 pieces with a hole on the side and a square at the back, and you need a flat 1x3 like flat blue, it doesn't have to be blue. Then you need these 1x1 flats with a little claw on them. Then you need 2 of these 1x1 circles that are flat, and you need a 1x1 circle that's flat but with a dot on it. You need a white one and a gold one. Well, you don't really need the color. And then you need a 1x1 slanted piece. Then you need 2 2x1s that have bumps on them, but they need to be flat. And then there's a 1x1 that you need that's flat but with a hook on it. So let's get building. So first you need the 1x1 with the hole in the side, and you get the white 1x1 circle piece with the dot, and you put it at the back of the piece right there, like that. And then you get your 3x1 flat, and you put it at the front, and it needs to be so it's not like this. It needs to be in the middle of the piece. And then you get your 1x2s with the dots on them, and you put them on each side of the flat 3x3. Then there's still little holes in the wings on the 2x2s, so you put the 1x1 circle flat pieces on the ends, like that. And then you get your 1x1 flat piece with the little claw on it, and you put it on top. So that's going to be the beak. Yeah. And it'll look like that so far. Then you get the 1x1 slanted piece, and you put it on top of the 1x1 flat with the claw. Then you get the 1x1 flat with the hook, and you put it right at the bottom. And that's your blue jay. But we still have this gold piece, so you could choose to do this. You put it on the end, so you could stick it on like that. The next bird,
all of those have them.
Yeah. The next bird you will be building is the eagle. The pieces, I just gotta break this. This one's pretty easy to break, but sometimes it's not that easy. The special piece to this bird is this 1x1 piece with circles, dots on the side that you could clip on, stick on pieces to, on all 4 sides. Next you need, the pieces that you need are 2 of these yellow. Well, it doesn't have to be yellow. Like slanted pieces with, they're kind of like 2x2s. Well, 2x1s. And they're kind of slanted. And they have a little hole here. 2 of those. And you need a 1x1 flat with the dot. And you need a 1x1 flat with a little hook. And 2 of these 1x1 circle pieces with the dots on them, but they could be different colors. And you need a 1x1 hook with the claw on them, just like the Blue Jay. But mine is different because I got this from a Pikachu ear. And next you need a 1x1 slanted piece, just like the Blue Jay. And you need another 1x1 flat. So let's start. Oh, and you need another 1x1 piece just for the stander, for the eagle. So first, you get one of these, the slanted 2x1s, and the little dot right here, well, the square, you get a 1x1 flat, and you put it right in there, so it's kind of like that. And you get the main piece to this eagle, and you put it on one of the sides. So now you got to build another one of those and put it on the other side, like that. Those are going to be his feathers. Then you get the 1x1 circle piece with the dot, and you put it at the back of the bird, like that. And you get the other one, and you put it at the front, like that. Then you get the 1x1 piece with the hook, and you put it at the bottom. Then you get this, the claw piece, the 1x1 flat with the claw, and you put it on top. And on top of the claw piece, you put the 1x1 slanted piece. And then you put the 1x1 flat piece at the bottom of the hook. Then you put it on your ground. Next we'll be building the cardinal. And this bird has big wings that I've built. So I'm just gonna break it. This bird is special because it's the first one that the bird that I built with these like wing pieces, I guess. Get this piece off. There we go. So the pieces you'll need are a 1x1 piece with the dot on the side and the square at the back that's open. Then you need 2 of these, well, 3 I guess, of these 1x1 flats circles with the dots. Then you need another one of the 1x1 flats with the slanty pieces on them. Then you need another one of the 1x1 flats with the claws. And this one is a 1x1 flat with the hook, but it's different because the 1x1 flats with the eagle and the bird is flipped on the other side. So you need the one that's flat. And then you need, let's just call this a 2x2 flat with a little slant on it and a little bump here. And you need a 1x4 flat. And you need a 1x4 wing, like 2 of these, but they have to be different sided, like that. If you want to know how they're different sided, you just put them together and you'll know that. So first, you need the 1x1 piece with the dot on the side, and you turn it over to the back, and you put the 1x1 circle piece with the dot on it on that back, and then you go to the back and you get the 1x4, and there you could put it in the middle of the 1x4 like that. And then you get the wings, the 1x4 wings, and you put them on each side like that. Then you get the 2x2 like slanted piece, and you put it right in the middle of those 1x4 wings. And then you get the 1x1 claw piece, and you put it right in the front, the top of the bird, of that piece. Then on top of that, you put the 1x1 slanted piece, and that will be his head. Then you get the 1x1 flat with the hook on it, and you put it at the bottom. Then for his standard piece, you get these 2 1x1 circles, and you put it at the bottom of that cardinal, and he is done.